what we wanted to convey was ICI as it is today does not have enough powers to be able to execute as quickly as we can what we need to do. Lumabas yung ICI 94, PO 94. Walang budget. Okay. Kumbaga, o lumabag ka sa gera, solve mo yung problema, hindi ka naman binigyan ng armas. O, ano nangyari sa'yo? Di nakatiwangwang ka. O, you cannot defend yourself. You have no powers. Mag-imbita ka kung ayaw pumunta. Wala ka nang magagawa. You don't even have subpoena powers. Gusto mong huwag paalisin ang isang tao. We don't have that. We have to go to court for a whole departure order. O ano nangyari? Nakaalis. Sisisihin pa kami doon.